Hi, I'm Liani. Today I'm going to do a little bit of pothole filling. I've just gone out to Bunnings and I've brought myself some $10 bags of tarmac. I've gathered a whole lot of stones off the side of the driveway. The asphalt is just going to be the top layer, so you really want to fill that hole in as much as possible. Now these bags have been warming up in the sun for a good hour or so. Just gonna, I don't know if I've got some power. I'm just gonna give it that extra bit of heat because what you really want is a nice hot product there. Right, so I've just given that a good couple of minutes warming that up with the hairdryer. Pull out the twigs, any sort of leaf matter or anything that's going to get in the way. Now I've picked up this also from Bunnings, this tamper tool, which I've been advised not to use without steel caps, but what do you know, I've got no steel caps. Right, let's get this. Oh, I forgot to get the spread tool out. I don't know what I'm going to use for that. I wonder if I can use my hands. I might use the dustpan. Right. Make sure it's fairly even. Let's just give that a bit of a tamper, see what happens. Alright, and that's the way to do it. You're supposed to have some sort of tar for the edging and stuff, but I haven't invested in that. Let's see how that dries. We'll have a look at it tomorrow. Rightio, I'm out here the next morning. It does seem to dry within about half an hour. Pretty solid. There were a couple of little problems with the job. My hands really hurt, so it was quite hard action with the tamper tool. The tamper tool, it did flip around. These are really, really heavy. These will need some sort of sealant. This is where you don't want the water to get in underneath because this is how you start to get your potholes in the first place. That is $20 worth of material, so you can do this really, really cheaply. So this is a method that a friend showed me yesterday. Get a little fire happening, get a pot large enough for a good bit of asphalt, warm it up over the fire. So when the asphalt is steaming, it's going to come out and just all fall into place. That's what you really want, is to have it really steaming hot. Woo! That's not what I was expecting to happen. Okay, let's just stand back a bit. Apart from that one mess up, it has been going really, really well for about 2 or 3 days of constant asphalting. No fire hazard so far. That was the first one. Oh my God. Rightio, I'm back here a few weeks later and the asphalt has turned out totally solid. It's all good, it's all compact on a whole